And so maybe walk us through the process about how professional indemnity coverage responds if there's an incident that's caused by an offshore team member.
Yeah, so the first thing that happens in I suppose, a professional indemnity claim is the client has to prove financial loss. So we need a trigger. So almost like a car accident where you need someone to actually hit your car before you can claim on your insurance.
Yep.
The trigger is actually your customer losing money. So we have seen examples where the client is unhappy with the services from the MSP and they have a dispute. But if they haven't lost financially, it's actually a contractual dispute, not a
Yep.
PI claim. So then that can trigger a management liability policy or other legal defences. So, to have the PI claim, you need financial loss. And then it's a case of having enough evidence to help whoever is defending you have the true picture of what has happened. It's interesting, I get a lot of people saying, but the insurer never asked me for this.
Yeah.
And the insurance contract between a policyholder and the insurer is a contract of mutual honesty. And the evidence comes when you have a claim.
Yeah.
So you give a bunch of declarations in your proposal, which is where you need to tell them you're using contractors. And then things like how that employee is managed or their scope and the service delivery and all those other aspects, they'll come out later in the piece. So by using a professional third party, you actually have a lot of the evidence ready in the event of a claim that you have clear scope, documentation, and understanding of what that employee is meant to be delivering on.